Whoa, whoa! Congratulations on setting up your Shopify store. Now it's time to share your store with potential customers and make your first sale. All excited, you set up your first Meta and Google Ads campaign. You wake up and check your Shopify store analytics for your first sale. But where is it? You think something's wrong with the ads. You make some adjustments, you thought will work, and wait another day.
One eternity later.
Where is everybody? Well, don't worry, Rome was not built in a day. As a new Shopify owner, you're bound to make some mistakes. Here are the 5 most common mistakes we've seen new e-commerce owners make when they're starting out. But before that, let me just share a quick intro about SANOMADS. We're a New York-based agency listed on Shopify as Shopify Experts Agency. Rated as the top Shopify agency 2023 by the Manifest, SANOMADS live up to a reputation that helped us earn tons of 5-star reviews on Google, Clutch, Shopify, and other similar platforms. Our goal is to revolutionize global e-commerce industry. Let's get started. So, reason number 1 why you're not getting sales as a new Shopify store. Your landing page is uninspiring. If you're getting enough traffic from your ads but not getting enough sales, that means you have a low conversion rate. Most common reasons for a low conversion rate is a bad user experience on your landing pages. This may be because of a poor design, ineffective call to action, lack of social proof, a bad mobile experience, and the list goes on. Reason number 2 why you're not getting sales as a new Shopify store. Weak content and creatives on your landing page. Here it is again, landing page. You cannot undermine the importance of conversion rate optimization for an e-commerce store. If the only place you're selling is online, you have to make sure that your store is worth visiting again and again. We have seen a lot of store owners rush their launch and lose precious advertising dollars. You need to give a certain brand appeal to your customers. If your landing page lacks creative content ideas, visual appeal, the message is unclear, or the branding is inconsistent, you will not be able to develop enough trust that will help you land conversions. A/B testing your landing pages is always a good idea. Try and test different content and see what works best. Most common mistake number 3, undefined campaign structure. Maybe it's not your landing pages. Maybe it's your ads. If you see you have a higher CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, and a lower CTR, click-through rate, this means maybe you can blame your ads for not performing. Many times merchants try and test new ad objectives, creatives, audiences so aggressively that they lose track of what is working. There's no media buying plan in effect, they're not getting out of learning phase, the budget is not optimally utilized, and the funnels are not in place. Be alert. Before you try and test different aspects, make sure that you're well aware of the latest updates from respective ad algorithms. Most common mistakes number 4, undermining the potential of data and retargeting. Hilary Mason, the founder of Fast Forward Labs, said, and I quote, "Data is a tool for enhancing intuition." Shopify merchants, if you haven't set up your Meta API conversions, browser pixel, and Google Analytics, at the very least, you're missing out. Yeah, let that FOMO kick in. Retargeting pixels not just lets you target your warm and hot leads, but also helps you build a loyal audience. And with Google Analytics, you can supercharge your intuition by pinpointing exact problems and solutions and incorporating those solutions in your next social media and advertising campaigns. Reason number 5 why you're not getting sales as a new Shopify store. Lack of market insights. If you think you've set up your ads all right and your landing page is a stunner, but your sales are still not reflecting that, you need to go back to the first step. Go back to the basics, write down your value proposition, your audience personas, map out your customer journeys, and dig deep into industry best practices. You might even need to take some inspiration from your competitors. We at SANOMADS, as a Shopify experts agency, start our journey with every client from this very first step. This makes our objective clearer and helps us onboard every single stakeholder right from the start. So here you go, 5 common mistakes that limit your sales potential as a new Shopify store. Try and test where you can improve, and if you need a helping hand, visit www.sanomads.com. We'd love to help. Check out the link in the description. Until next time, ciao.